When doing your nails, always keep some salt nearby. Here's an amazing tip for at-home nail painting or manicurists. On those busy days when you can't visit a salon and decide to paint your nails at home, what if you accidentally spill nail polish on the floor or a smooth surface? Don't clean it with cloth, paper towels, or toilet paper. I'll share a quick, easy trick using just one ingredient to remove it instantly. All you need is a spoonful of salt. That's right, folks. No waiting needed with salt. Once applied, start stirring and watch the magic happen. The polish crystallizes in the salt, preventing stains on your floor or surface. Only we women know how awful it feels to spill nail polish and not know how to clean it up. The more you try to clean, the messier it gets. It's so easy to clean that I wanted to show you again. As you can see, this time I applied a generous amount of nail polish on the floor. Now just cover the polish with some salt and watch the magic happen again. Let's scrub, and look how incredible it is, folks. It all comes off without leaving any stains. Don't worry, your hands won't get dirty or stained with the nail polish. When salt is applied, it kind of crystallizes the polish within it. So you'll never stress about cleaning up spills again. I'm sure this tip will be super helpful in your daily life. A quick, easy and practical tip that'll save you from frustration. Now when you spill polish, you won't worry. You know this amazing trick. After, use a dustpan and broom to remove any excess salt from the floor. And that was another handy tip. I hope you found this helpful. Take care and see you next time.